Let me show you the fastest way to connect Airtable to Make and start automating your data workflows. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, head over to your browser and log into Make. Once you're signed in and inside your workspace, navigate to the Scenarios section in the left-hand menu. From there, you can either create a brand new scenario by clicking the Create a New Scenario button, or open an existing one if you already have something in progress. On the scenario canvas, click the plus button to add a new module. This will open the app selection window, where you'll type Airtable in the search bar and select the Airtable app from the results. Now you need to choose what kind of module you want to use. The most common options include Watch Records, which acts as a trigger to start your automation when something changes, or actions like Create a Record, Update a Record, and Search Records. Click Add Connection or Create Connection to link Airtable to Make. A login window will pop up. Sign into your Airtable account and then click Allow to grant Make permission to access your bases and tables. Without this authorization, Make won't be able to read or write any of your data. Next, select the Airtable base you want to connect. This could be something like a CRM base, a content tracker, or a project management base. After that, choose the specific table inside that base. For example, leads, tasks, or clients. Now configure your module by setting up the required fields. Depending on your chosen module, you might need to do field mapping, set filters, or define how records are selected. If your automation involves data coming from previous steps, you'll need to map that data into your Airtable fields. For instance, mapping a name field from a previous module to the name field in Airtable, or an email field to the email field. Once everything is set, click OK or Save to add the Airtable module to your scenario. Now test the connection by clicking Run once to trigger sample data and verify everything works. Open your Airtable base and check that records are being created or updated correctly. If something fails, review your connection permissions, confirm you've selected the right base and table, and double-check your field mapping accuracy. When you're satisfied, turn on scheduling if you want your automation to run continuously, then click Save to store your changes. Keep in mind that you may need to reauthorize Airtable if your access ever expires, so be sure to maintain your API permissions. That's it. Airtable is now successfully connected to Make. You can automatically create, update, search, and manage Airtable records right inside your workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.